Starting a YouTube channel without identifying a profitable niche is just a waste of time. If you want to become a successful creator, you must consider your channel as a business, not just as a hobby. Next month is 2024. I know that a lot of you guys are planning to start a YouTube channel, but have no ideas about profitable niches. If that is the case, you are in the right place. So, why selecting a profitable niche is very important. Here is why. A lot of people think that YouTube pays the same amount of revenue to all creators. It's just not the case. Depending on your category, YouTube pays different amounts of revenue. As an example, let's say you got 1 million views for a comedy and funny video on YouTube. Your approximate revenue from that video would be around $500. If you get 1 million views for a tech-related video, your revenue will be $3,600. You see the difference? If you start a channel without knowing this, you will lose your time and money. In this video, I will explain how this revenue differs from niche to niche. Most importantly, I will give you 5 unique and high CPM channel ideas. Watch this video till the end because the last channel idea will blow your mind. Before you start your channel or select your niche, you must learn about CPM and RPM. So, what is CPM? CPM stands for cost per 1,000 impressions. It's basically the value that advertisers are willing to pay YouTube for 1,000 views. CPM isn't the amount YouTube content creators actually earn. YouTube pays creators 55% of an ad's CPM. RPM stands for revenue per mille. It represents how much money you've earned per 1,000 video views. Why am I telling you all of this? It's because CPM depends on your audience, geography, and your niche. So when you are starting, you need to select a profitable niche that can actually reach international audiences. Number 5 on our list is cooking-related channel. Even though there are a lot of channels in this niche, you can still become one of the best channels in this niche. The reason is people love this niche. But creating a typical cooking channel will not help you. You have to be unique and try to do something that no one has done before. This is the easiest channel idea that can reach international audiences without even speaking a single word. And this cooking niche has a CPM of $2.5. Let me show you some example channels, and let's discuss why they are so popular. This is one of the successful cooking channels on YouTube. They started their journey in 2020, and in those 4 years, they have got 9.6 million subscribers only with 215 videos. Their specialty is they have mixed AMSR with cooking. Another unique channel in this niche is this one. This channel shows the beauty of nature with a cooking niche, and it's very calm. Another channel is this one where this guy makes food in beautiful outdoor places. So be unique and creative. You can easily gain millions of subscribers in this niche. Number 4 on our list is the fashion niche. You may wonder, oh, I can't do that. I'm not a model. It doesn't matter anymore. You don't need to be a model. You only need to have some fashion sense and confidence, that's all. This niche has a CPM of $4. And most importantly, once you gain a lot of subscribers, you can earn a lot of money with brand deals. You just have to be unique. Let's see some example channels. This channel is one of my favorite channels. It's just very simple. This guy shows different types of outfits to wear different types of places. These are very simple, short videos. He started his channel in 2022. In just 2 years, he has gained 400,000 subscribers. If you are into fashion, this niche is the best one for you. Number 3 on our list is the motivational niche. I know that this niche is saturated, but there are a lot of untouched sub-niches in this category. If you are someone who doesn't want to show your face on YouTube, this is the best niche for you. It has a CPM of around $4. I have created a lot of videos for different motivation sub-niches. You can check my channel and learn from those. One of the reasons that this niche is really good is that you don't need to have expensive equipment or cameras to start. There is no specific audience. Everyone loves to be motivated. So if you do this in a unique way, you can get millions of views and subscribers within a short period. The best example channel for this niche is Motiversity. This channel has around 652 videos. If you follow my tutorial video, you can easily create videos like this. Another example channel for this niche is this one. They create motivational videos related to celebrities and influencers. Number 2 on our list is the educational niche. This is one of the highest CPM niches with $9.8. There are no limits to this niche. You can teach or share your knowledge about any category. If there are any specific fields that you know about, you can start a channel in this niche. If you know about other languages, you can create a channel where you teach about that language. My channel is also in this educational niche. To be honest, creating videos for this niche is not that simple. You have to work hard. And most importantly, You can create faceless channels for this niche. If you provide valuable content to your audience, you can grow your channel fast. Before you start a channel in this niche, do some research and find what educational content is trending, and then create content for that. As an example, AI was a huge thing at the beginning of 2023, so the channels that teach about that got a lot of subscribers and views within a short period. Keep finding new trends and create content for those. Here are some example channels. This is one of my favorites. I have learned a lot of things from this channel. Another example is this one. They teach the English language using movies and cartoons. Matt Wolf's channel is one of the successful and most influential channels in this niche. He teaches about AI and everything about new and upcoming AI. So, if you are planning to start a channel in this niche, first do your research and come up with trending topics. Number 1 on our list is how to make money niche. This niche has the highest CPM out of all the niches that we talked about. It's $13.2. This is not an easy niche. Before you even start a channel in this niche, you have to do your research and study more about businesses and online entrepreneurship. If you are someone who is already in this field, it won't be a problem. You can start a channel within this niche without showing your face. It's completely up to you. One of the advantages of this niche is that you can make courses and sell them to your audience, so it will be another source of income. And also you can promote affiliate links and earn some passive income from these channels without actual knowledge. Starting a channel in this niche is pointless and unfair to your audience. So study first and then start your channel. The best example of a channel like this is Iman Gadji. I think you already know about him. I also have learned a lot of things from this channel about entrepreneurship. Another example is Make Money Matt. So do your research about this niche and start your channel. So, with that said, this video has come to an end. Be unique and provide valuable content to your audience. I will see you in the next video.